Pleasant evening to everyone. I am the leader of the Blue Team 2 Class B Fire. So, before I proceed to our topic, I would like to introduce myself first and my classmates. So, I am Crystal May, and my classmate is Jumel. This is Jumel Perez, Zaijan Artigas, Raymart Negrinho, Janly Anguionar, and Rowalyn Andam, and Romel Langgam. So, our topic is about the flammable liquids or the gases. So, the flammable liquid or gases that are the substance that can easily catch the fire and burn rapidly when it is exposed to an ignition source like sparks, heat, or the flames. The term flammable are that both describes the materials with a high risk ignition. So the flammable liquids, those are the liquids that gives off this vapors that can catch fire at a normal temperatures, like gasoline, diesel, kerosene, alcohol, paint thinners, cooking oil, and the industrial solvents. It can damage in a high temperature. Their vapors are behavior than air, or the heavier than air, so they can spread along floors or surfaces and ignite from a distance even if the liquid itself isn't near the heat sources. So the flammable gas, those are the gases of vapors from the liquefied gases. So that can ignite when mixed with air and exposed to a spark or heat. So the examples for the flammable gases are the propane, butane, natural gas, or it's called the methane, acetylene, and the hydrogen. So they can fill enclosed space quickly, increasing the chance of the explosion of ignited. Even small leaks can be so dangerous to each of one. So I have the real life situation about the flammable liquid or gases. So a man refueled his lawnmower inside his closed garage near a water heater with a pilot light open flame. So the gasoline vapors built up quickly were ignited by the pilot light and caused small explosions that burned the man and damaged the garage. So the flammable liquid that involved with that situation is the gasoline. So gasoline is the part of the flammable liquid or gases. So to prevent that fire from the situation, we have the steps to prevent the fire from the flammable liquids or gas. So first is don't refuel gasoline powered equipment in a confined space, especially in the presence of an open flame such as the furnace or water heater. So second is the don't refuel gasoline powered equipment while it is hot. So the third one is keep flammable liquid stored in a tightly closed, self-closing, spill-proof containers. So the last three is pour from storage drums only what you will need. So the last two is store flammable liquids away from sparks producing the sources. So the last one is the use flammable liquids only in well ventilated areas. Okay. So if you happen to witness such an incident and you use a fire extinguisher, you're going to use the fire extinguisher for the flammable liquid or gases is the ABC powder. ABC powder extinguisher. An ABC powder extinguisher is the uses to monoammonium phosphate to smother flames, break the chain reactions, and prevent reignitions. Break the chain, or it is deal for homes. It is dealing with the offices or the vehicle. So, another important steps to prevent fire is store safely. No ignition sources. Check for leaks. Keep clean and train everyone. So that is the flammable liquids and gases or the substance. Thank you very much and good night, everyone.